I've spent the last month turning my house into a smart home battleground, testing the top 5 smart thermostats of 2026 so you don't have to. We're going to find out which one is truly the best for a beginner, the one that won't give you a headache and will actually save you money. And while all 5 of these are solid choices, the one I crown number 1 is a device that is so intuitive and so feature-packed right out of the box. I think it's the perfect starting point for anyone. We'll get to that. But first, let's start our countdown at number 5 with the Honeywell Home T9. Honeywell is a classic name in thermostats, and the T9's best feature is its remote smart room sensors. You can place these in different rooms, and the thermostat will average the temperature or prioritize a specific room, which is fantastic for fixing those annoying hot and cold spots in your house. This is for the person with a bigger home who knows they have temperature imbalance issues and is ready to tackle them from day one. The honest flaw here? The app and interface just feel a step behind the competition. They're not as slick or as modern, and for a beginner, that can make the setup feel a little more intimidating than it needs to be. Now, if the idea of placing multiple sensors and navigating a clunky app sounds like too much, our number 4 pick is all about simplicity. This is the Emerson Sensi Touch. Its killer feature is hands down the installation. This is one of the easiest thermostats to install yourself, and it often works without needing that tricky C-wire, or common wire, that can be a real pain for older homes. This is the perfect thermostat for the nervous DIYer who just wants basic smart control, like changing the temperature from their phone or setting a simple schedule, without any fuss. But its honest flaw is that it's just not as smart as the others. It doesn't have advanced learning features. It's more of a connected thermostat than a truly intelligent one. But what if you want a thermostat that does all the thinking for you? That brings us to the design icon at number 3, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is the one that started it all. Its best feature is right in the name, learning. For the first week, you just adjust it when you're hot or cold, and it watches. Then, it builds a custom schedule for you, automatically. It's brilliant. This is for the person who values beautiful design and wants a truly set-it-and-forget-it experience. But its honest flaw, especially in 2026, is the lack of remote sensors. For a premium price, you're only getting the temperature of your hallway, which feels a bit dated compared to the competition. Speaking of a premium price, if your wallet just clenched thinking about the Nest, our number 2 pick is going to be a huge sigh of relief. It's the Amazon Smart Thermostat. Its best feature is almost unbelievable, the price. It is ridiculously affordable, giving you core smart thermostat features for a fraction of the cost of the others. It's made with Honeywell technology and its integration with Alexa is seamless. If you already have Echo devices in your house, you can control it with your voice and add it to routines effortlessly. This is a no-brainer for anyone deep in the Alexa ecosystem or anyone on a tight budget. The flaw? It's almost completely dependent on Alexa for its smarts. If you don't use Alexa, it's just a very basic thermostat, and you miss out on most of the magic. And that brings us to my number 1 pick for the best smart thermostat for beginners in 2026, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. If the Amazon thermostat is the perfect budget entry, this is the perfect premium entry. It takes the best ideas from everyone else and rolls them into one fantastic package. Its best feature is the user experience. The large, vibrant touchscreen is as easy to use as a smartphone, and the app is clean and intuitive. Better yet, it comes with a remote smart sensor right in the box, so you can solve temperature issues from day one, and it has Alexa and Siri built right in. This is for the beginner who wants it all, an easy setup, a premium feel, and powerful features that they can grow into. The honest flaw? It is one of the most expensive thermostats on this list. You are paying a premium price, but in this case, you are absolutely getting a premium, beginner-friendly experience. So, which one is right for your home? To make your decision easier, I've put links to all 5 of these thermostats, with the most up-to-date pricing, right down in the description below. Click those links to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.